The richest companies in the world. Number 20. Coca-Cola. Market value $247.1 billion. The Coca-Cola Company is an American multinational corporation and manufacturer, retailer, and marketer of non-alcoholic beverage concentrates and syrups. The company produces Coca-Cola, invented in 1886 by pharmacist John Stith Pemberton in Atlanta, Georgia. In 1889 the formula and brand were sold for $2,300 to Asa Griggs Candler, who incorporated the Coca-Cola Company in Atlanta in 1892. The Coca-Cola Company is the single largest plastic polluter in the world, producing over 3 million tons of plastic packaging each year, including 110 billion plastic bottles. Number 19. Intel. Market value $255.1 billion. Intel Corporation is an American multinational corporation and technology company headquartered in Silicon Valley, and highest valued semiconductor chip manufacturer based on revenue, and is the inventor of the x86 series of microprocessors, the processors found in most personal computers. Intel ranked number 46 in the 2018 Fortune 500 list of the largest United States corporations by total revenue. Number 18. Home Depot. Market value $256.7 billion. The Home Depot, Inc. is the largest home improvement retailer in the United States, supplying tools, construction products, and services. The company is headquartered at the Atlanta Store Support Center in unincorporated Cobb County, Georgia. It operates many big box format stores across the United States and its territories of Puerto Rico, Guam, and the U.S. Virgin Islands, all 10 provinces of Canada, and the 31 states and Federal District of Mexico. Number 17. AT&T. Market value $266.1 billion. AT&T Inc. is an American multinational conglomerate holding company headquartered at Whitaker Tower in downtown Dallas, Texas. It is the world's largest telecommunications company, the largest provider of mobile telephone services, and the largest provider of fixed telephone services in the United States through AT&T Communications. Since June 14, 2018, it is also the parent company of mass media conglomerate Warner Media, making it the world's largest media and entertainment company in terms of revenue. Number 16. Bank of America. Market value $267.4 billion. Founded in San Francisco, Bank of America was formed through NationsBank's acquisition of Bank America in 1998. It is the second largest banking institution in the United States, after J.P. Morgan Chase. As a part of the Big Four, it services approximately 10% of all American bank deposits, in direct competition with Citigroup, Wells Fargo, and J.P. Morgan Chase. Its primary financial services revolve around commercial banking, wealth management, and investment banking. Number 15. Taiwan Semiconductor. Market value $285.4 billion. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, Limited, is the world's largest dedicated independent semiconductor foundry, with its headquarters and main operations located in the Hsinchu Science and Industrial Park in Hsinchu, Taiwan. TSMC is also occasionally referred to as Taiwan Semiconductor or TSM, but it's unrelated to another similarly named company, Taiwan Semiconductor Co. Limited, which is a manufacturer of discrete semiconductor components. Number 14. MasterCard. Market value $296.3 billion. MasterCard Incorporated is an American multinational financial services corporation headquartered in the MasterCard International Global Headquarters in Purchase, New York. The global operations headquarters is located in O'Fallon, Missouri. Throughout the world, its principal business is to process payments between the banks of merchants and the card-issuing banks or credit unions of the purchasers who use the MasterCard brand debit, credit and prepaid to make purchases. MasterCard Worldwide has been a publicly traded company since 2006. Prior to its initial public offering, MasterCard Worldwide was a cooperative owned by the more than 25,000 financial institutions that issue its branded cards. Number 13. Procter & Gamble. Market value $296.7 billion. The Procter & Gamble Company is an American multinational consumer goods corporation headquartered in Cincinnati, Ohio, founded in 1837 by William Procter and James Gamble. It specializes in a wide range of personal health, consumer health, personal care and hygiene products. These products are organized into several segments including beauty, grooming, health care, fabric and home care, and baby, feminine, and family care. Before the sale of Pringles to Kellogg's, its product portfolio also included foods, snacks, and beverages. In 2014, P&G recorded $83.1 billion in sales. On August 1, 2014, P&G announced it was streamlining the company, dropping and selling off around 100 brands from its product portfolio in order to focus on the remaining 65 brands, which produced 95% of the company's profits. Number 12. Walmart. Market value, $322.8 billion. Walmart Inc. is an American multinational retail corporation that operates a chain of hypermarkets, discount department stores, and grocery stores, headquartered in Bentonville, Arkansas. The company was founded by Sam Walton in 1962 and incorporated on October 31, 1969. It also owns and operates Sam's Club retail warehouses. As of January 31, 2020, Walmart has 11,503 stores and clubs in 27 countries, operating under 55 different names. Number 11. Johnson & Johnson. Market value, $378.6 billion. Johnson & Johnson is an American multinational corporation founded in 1886 that develops medical devices, pharmaceutical and consumer packaged goods. Its common stock is a component of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the company is ranked number 37 on the 2018 Fortune 500 list of the largest United States corporations by total revenue. Johnson & Johnson is headquartered in New Brunswick, New Jersey, the consumer division being located in Skillman, New Jersey. The corporation includes some 250 subsidiary companies with operations in 60 countries and products sold in over 175 countries. Johnson & Johnson had worldwide sales of $70.1 billion during calendar year 2015. Johnson & Johnson's brands include numerous household names of medications and first aid supplies. Now don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and if you are not a subscriber on the Top 10 Amrani channel, subscribe now. Number 10. J.P. Morgan Chase. Market value, $397.2 billion. J.P. Morgan Chase & Co. is an American multinational investment bank and financial services holding company headquartered in New York City. J.P. Morgan Chase is ranked by S&P Global as the largest bank in the United States and the sixth largest bank in the world by total assets, with $2.687 trillion of total assets, and it is also the world's most valuable bank by market. Visa. Market value, $402.2 billion. Visa Inc. is an American multinational financial services corporation headquartered in Foster City, California. It facilitates electronic funds transfers throughout the world, most commonly through Visa-branded credit cards, debit cards and prepaid cards. Visa does not issue cards, extend credit or set rates and fees for consumers. Rather, Visa provides financial institutions with Visa-branded payment products that they then use to offer credit, debit, prepaid and cash access programs to their customers. In 2015, the Nielsen Report, a publication that tracks the credit card industry, found that Visa's global network processed 100 billion transactions during 2014 with a total volume of $6.8 trillion. Number 8. Tencent Holdings. Market value, $472 billion. Tencent Holdings Limited is a Chinese multinational conglomerate holding company founded in 1998, whose subsidiaries specialize in various internet-related services and products, entertainment, artificial intelligence and technology both in China and globally. Tencent is the world's largest video game company, one of the world's most valuable technology companies, one of the world's largest social media companies, and one of the world's largest venture capital firms and investment corporations. Its many services include social network, music, web portals, e-commerce, mobile games, internet services, payment systems, smartphones, and multiplayer online games, which are all among the world's biggest and most successful in their respective categories. Number 7. Berkshire Hathaway. Market value, $526.6 billion. Berkshire Hathaway is an American multinational conglomerate holding company headquartered in Omaha, Nebraska, United States. The company wholly owns Geico, Duracell, Dairy Queen, BNSF, Lubrizol, Fruit of the Loom, Hellsberg Diamonds, Long & Foster, FlightSafety International, Pampered Chef, Forest River and NetJets, and also owns 38.6% of Pilot Flying J, 26.7% of the Kraft Heinz Company, and significant minority holdings in American Express, 17.6%, Wells Fargo, 9.9%, the Coca-Cola Company, 9.4%, Bank of America, 6.8%, and Apple, 5.22%. Since 2016, the company has acquired large holdings in the major U.S. airline carriers, and is currently the largest shareholder in United Airlines and Delta Air Lines, and a top 3 shareholder in Southwest Airlines and American Airlines. Berkshire Hathaway has averaged an annual growth in book value of 19.0% to its shareholders since 1965 compared to 9.7% from the S&P 500 with dividends included for the same period while employing large amounts of capital and minimal debt. Number 6. Alibaba. Market value, $560 billion. Alibaba Group Holding Limited, also known as Alibaba Group and as Alibaba, is a Chinese multinational technology company specializing in e-commerce, retail, internet, and technology. Founded on 4 April 1999 in Hangzhou, Zhejiang, the company provides consumer-to-consumer, business-to-consumer, and business-to-business sales services via web portals, as well as electronic payment services, shopping search engines and cloud computing services. It owns and operates a diverse array of businesses around the world in numerous sectors, and is named as one of the world's most admired companies by Fortune. Number 5. Facebook. Market value, $562.1 billion. Facebook, Inc. is an American social media and technology company based in Menlo Park, California. It was founded by Mark Zuckerberg, along with fellow Harvard College students and roommates Eduardo Saverin, Andrew McCollum, Dustin Moskovitz and Chris Hughes, originally as thefacebook.com. Facebook is one of the world's most valuable companies. It is considered one of the big 5 technology companies along with Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, and Google. Facebook offers other products and services. It acquired Instagram, WhatsApp, Oculus, independently developed Facebook Messenger, Facebook Watch, and Facebook Portal. Number 4. Alphabet. Market value, $956.6 billion. Alphabet Inc. is an American multinational conglomerate headquartered in Mountain View, California. It was created through a corporate restructuring of Google on October 2, 2015, and became the parent company of Google and several former Google subsidiaries. The 2 founders of Google assumed executive roles in the new company, with Larry Page serving as CEO and Sergey Brin as president. Alphabet is the world's 4th largest technology company by revenue and one of the world's most valuable companies. The establishment of Alphabet was prompted by a desire to make the core Google Internet Services business cleaner and more accountable while allowing greater autonomy to group companies that operate in businesses other than Internet services. Page and Brin announced their resignation from their executive posts in December 2019, with the CEO role to be filled by Sundar Pichai, also the CEO of Google. Page and Brin remain co-founders, employees, board members, and controlling shareholders of Alphabet. Number 3. Amazon. Market value, $985.5 billion. Amazon.com Inc. is an American multinational technology company based in Seattle that focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. It is considered one of the big 4 tech companies, along with Google, Apple, and Facebook. It's been referred to as one of the most influential economic and cultural forces in the world. Amazon is known for its disruption of well-established industries through technological innovation and mass scale. It is the world's largest online marketplace, AI assistant provider, and cloud computing platform as measured by revenue and market capitalization. Also, Amazon is the largest internet company by revenue in the world, and it is the 2nd largest private employer in the United States. Number 2. Apple. Market value, $1.28 trillion. Apple Inc. is an American multinational technology company headquartered in Cupertino, California, that designs, develops, and sells consumer electronics, computer software, and online services. It is considered one of the big 4 technology companies, alongside Amazon, Google, and Facebook. The company's hardware products include the iPhone smartphone, the iPad tablet computer, the Mac personal computer, the iPod portable media player, the Apple Watch smartwatch, the Apple TV digital media player, the AirPods wireless earbuds and the HomePod smart speaker. Number 1. Microsoft. Market value, $1.294 trillion. Microsoft Corporation is an American multinational technology company with headquarters in Redmond, Washington. It develops, manufactures, licenses, supports, and sells computer software, consumer electronics, personal computers, and related services. Its best-known software products are the Microsoft Windows line of operating systems, the Microsoft Office suite, and the Internet Explorer and Edge web browsers. Its flagship hardware products are the Xbox video game consoles and the Microsoft Surface lineup of touchscreen personal computers. In 2016, it was the world's largest software maker by revenue. The word Microsoft is a portmanteau of microcomputer and software. Microsoft is ranked number 30 in the 2018 Fortune 500 rankings of the largest United States corporations by total revenue.